Your next car could be the 2023 Nissan Armada. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, woodgrain interior trim. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.